So all of these lights that we have placed in the drawing are actual active lights. And what that means is we can turn them on and off. So when we go to create 3D visual renders, we have full control over those lights. We also can control what color they emit, how many lumens, what wattage, so on. So just to give you a quick idea of that, what I'm going to do is go to my ground floor plan. I'm going to place a 3D camera. It's not something I'm going to go into much detail now. We will cover this in the course. So there you can see in the quick render that each one of the lights are turned on. In there I'm able to control each one of those lights, so I can turn them on and off, I can dim them down and so on. It's not something we'll go into much detail now, but just purely just to give you an idea of why we place those lights.